Hello, welcome to the set of videos on matrices. Matrices is a major topic in mathematics. It comes in the optional section of paper 2, and many students struggle with solving problems related to matrices. That is why I've designed these videos to help you master the concepts and principles of matrices. You learn through engaging videos and interactive quizzes that will give you instant score and feedback and allow you to check your understanding of the key concepts related to matrices. You learn about using matrices, multiplying matrices, matrices and transformations, the inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix, You learn to solve simultaneous equations using matrices. Transformations. And you learn the key concepts through step-by-step illustrations and engaging videos such as the one you see on your screen. No more boring textbooks. You learn visually. Math is made visual and dynamic. So it's no longer boring. You'll enjoy the interactions and you'll be able to recall this information. For example, if you you can see the fist here, the closed fist here. And when you recall the shape of the fist, you can recall the topic matrices, inverse of a matrix, and gradients and symbols and transformations, and different types of transformations and so on, and much more. Enjoy.